Hello everyone. Today we are here to discuss about the project Digital Griot. Digital Griot is a AI narrative intelligence. It is a platform to develop the adaptive skills and learning of the children. The age group we are targeting for the children is 2 to 5, from age group 2 to the age group of 5, which shows that particular group because at that particular group only, age only, they will develop their adaptive learning skills. By that, what do you mean by? It is the skills where you will have the ability to listen, to see the world, to speak, to feel the sound, to read, particularly very few alphabets, A, B, C, D. But at least you can see, you can hear, you can feel the voice. Therefore, our platform will generate a story. It's not limited to story only. We also have an emotion analytics dashboard where you can see the five main emotions which will contain in the story. We have happy, sad, angry, fear, and neutral. Not only that, we also have a voice engine where you will have an option to select particular voices. For our project, we have connected with Microsoft and Google. We have added this from Google TTS and Microsoft as your audio. From this drop down, you can choose a particular voice and you can listen to the audio for the accent particularly. Just a note about it, in our platform, we won't use the exact language or the voice of a particular language. We are aiming to provide the accent of the language over the language. That is particularly because the child at that age can only feel the accent or the tone of a language, not particularly understand the language. So let's test it out. For the story, we have three kind of story: predefined, AI generated, and custom story. You can write your own story and see the result. For the theme, we have dark and light, style, minimal, futuristic, animation mode, static, animated flow. So let's see a predefined story. Let's generate the story one more time. And yeah, that's it. You see, we have it was a joyful morning and everyone smiled. And from where the story is coming, we have created a database containing the stories and it is fetching from the DB. So let's see how our database look like. Yeah. So this is our database and we have a table on that known as predefined story. And for our demo, we just kept four stories for now. And see the first one, it was a joyful morning and everyone smiled, is fetching from here. Shall we see the emotion analysis? And you see, that's the happy because who doesn't like a joyful and cheerful morning? Let's see the voice of this particular sentence. Let's select this, yeah, and we'll start.
It was a joyful morning and everyone smiled.
Did you notice a change in the accent? If not, I will show you another one. Let's test it out.
It was a joyful morning and everyone smiled.
See, did you notice the difference of the accent? If not, I have from Japan.
It was a joyful morning and everyone smiled.
Yeah, did you recognize the animation accent of this particular sentence? Now that we have completed our predefined story, let's move to our AI generated story. Let's generate a new story from our AI. Now, which AI did we use here. We will listen to that, but before that, let's generate the story. Yeah, that's it. And we will do the emotional analysis again. And bingo, we have new kind of emotional analytics here. So let's let's try with Microsoft Ravi.
One quiet morning, something unusual happened. A curious child who loved exploring noticed a glowing path in the forest. They walked carefully into the unknown. A shadow moved quietly nearby. But they stayed brave and kept going. And the journey made them stronger.
Wow, Ravi was quite a nice accent for our audio. And do you want another story from AI? Shall we test it out? Yeah, see, we got another story. And let's test out the emotion of this particular one. Again, there was no change, it is a neutral one only. But we will now test it with a different audio. Shall we try the Hindi one? I don't think so. It will fetch exact Hindi, but it will do the accent. No, we won't try that. We will try different. Let's try Portuguese.
A soft wind carried a secret across the land, a kind-hearted young explorer heard a soft voice calling them. They walked carefully into the unknown. Something felt mysterious and unknown. They held hands and moved forward together. And that day became a beautiful memory.
Wow, that was quite a different accent. We also have an option for custom writing. Shall we see it out? In custom writing, it is nothing but you can just delete the existing one and you can write from your own. Hi, thank you for using our platform. Have a great day. You see the emotion, and it's nothing but a neutral one because it is a sign of sentence. And we will now go with Suzanne.
Hi, thank you for using our platform. Have a great day.
Thank you, Susan. While signing off, I would like to show our front end and back end for a glance. So our front end, we have used Angular, and this is the code. We also have the file hierarchy here. For the backend, we have used Java Spring Boot, and this is the code for the service. This is the AI story service, and this is the file hierarchy. And for this, Tomcat is running on server 8080, and for our front end, it was running on 4200. And that's our full stack project with a backend, front end, and a database. And thus, we have created our perfect, close to perfect story generated website, platform, digital Griot. Thank you so much. We will meet again.